Day 3 of ISE 2024 from Barcelona.
Come see us in booth 2P500 at the HD-Base booth, but more importantly, the KeyDigital booth.
Hasta luego. If you're looking for an AV presentation solution for your classroom or lecture hall, then look no further than KeyDigital's CRB, Classroom in a Box. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You can choose from our selection of AV plug-in plates supporting HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C, and even VGA plug-in types to feed into the presentation switcher, which allows you to connect in utilizing the AV standard HD-Base and connecting your additional HDMI video sources, DisplayPort, VGA, or again USB-C. Then we again utilize HD-Base to go to your interactive display or projector with a single cat run and a single power supply connection throughout the entire system. With KeyDigital's CRB, Conference Room in a Box, you can send your content to the projector or interactive display and also take advantage of a mirrored output so that the teacher or professor is able to look at the content on the screen at all times without having to look over their shoulder. What makes KeyDigital's Classroom in a Box so powerful is the software that you can leverage without any programming whatsoever to control AV source selection and even control your display or projector over CEC, control on HDMI. And for those hybrid and distance learning applications, integrate with KeyDigital's camera and amplifier to control pan, tilt, zoom, and preset control, as well as microphone levels and volume levels for those larger spaces. For more information on KeyDigital's Classroom in a Box, go to KeyDigital.com and check out our solutions section. KeyDigital's Conference Room in a Box is a perfect solution for conference rooms, huddle spaces, executive boardrooms, and lecture halls where you want to present to your colleagues locally and your colleagues in a hybrid setting located remotely. Simply connect your HDMI, USB-C, or DisplayPort into our plug-in plate to begin presenting. Then connect your USB into your computer to connect the professional camera and audio system USB into your laptop. Now you've included your colleagues locally and remotely for those perfect hybrid modern workspace conference and collaboration needs of the modern businesses. What makes Conference Room in a Box even more appealing is that you're able to control the whole system without any programming at all. When you install Conference Room in a Box, you can tell the system that you have a KeyDigital camera and an amplifier if you do. And by doing so, the free iOS app will show you the controls for the PTZ and preset control of the camera, volume and mic level of the amplifier. For more information, head to KeyDigital.com and check out our specialized solutions section to see example system diagrams and more for Conference Room in a Box.